you heard is true, but I can't stop thinking about you. And I said I've been there too a few times.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat, highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough. Somewhere along the lines, we stopped seeing eye to eye. You were staying out all night, and I had enough.
Oh, she don't see the light that's shining deeper than the eyes can find it. Maybe we're made of blind, so she tries to cover up her pain.
My heart's crippled by the vein that I keep on closing.
So far from you,
you cut me open.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You see how you're beautiful just the way you are, and you don't have to change a thing. You have to change a thought. See we're beautiful. The stars and we're beautiful.
When the world has took its part, when the world has dealt its card, so if the hand is hard, so together we'll mend your heart.
It took us a while, cause we were young and unsure, with love on the line. What if we both would need more? But all your flaws and scars are mine. So falling for you, so falling for you,
so falling for love. You can stand under my umbrella.
They'll say you could do anything. They'll say that I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better.
She tells him, oh love, no one's ever gonna hurt you. I'm gonna give you all of